Hi, my name is LaVonna and I've used today the accelerator for More Hair Naturally for the first time in my life. Now, I've used More Hair Naturally products for a few years. At 77, I have never seen my hair get so beautifully clean. I was just shocked when I put the accelerator on my head. My scalp just tingled like it was putting everything alive. The whole experience was enlivening, you know. I mean, you could just feel that things were improving, even though, I mean, it was the weirdest thing, even though I was just putting on the accelerator, right? So I put that on and left it on there. They said to leave it on there for a few minutes, and I thought, gee, I could leave this on here for a half an hour. It was like getting a facial on my hair, you know. It was just wonderful. And you could just feel it drawing out the impurities. So, and then after that, I did the shampoo like it says to do. And interestingly enough, after the shampoo, I combed the comb through my hair while my hair was wet, and I didn't need a conditioner. And normally I use a conditioner, but it's enlivening, this whole thing. And now my hair, right all the way down the shaft, right to the ends, is thicker and fuller. And so I can wear my hair down instead of having to put it half up and half down, because at my age, my hair has thinned a bit, even though I've always been a stringy hair blonde. I mean, I was 3 years old and they were still, you know, pasting bows to the top of my head so they wouldn't call me that little boy, you know. So I've never had a lot of hair, but look, isn't it beautiful? I mean, it's just gorgeous. And this is the first time I've used it, and I'll never stop using this stuff. It's just wonderful.